Martine Moïse just did it again. She just dropped testimony in the Miami federal trial of the assassination of the late president, her ex-husband Jovenel Moïse, and we're now looking at details that go further than people originally expected. Martine testified that before the assassination, Jovenel was in a heated debate with a very powerful businessman, and over the phone, it wasn't casual, it was a very serious conversation where she overheard the businessman saying, "My revenge will be cold." She also revealed that about $150,000 USD was being sent to the presidential residence every single month. But the problem with that is by July 2021, that cash was already spent, and yet no intelligence stopped the assassination. The chief medical examiner flew in and testified in this same trial where he in fact stated that Jovenel Moïse was killed July 7th and he did the autopsy July 10th. When prosecutors pushed back and said, "Why did you do the autopsy July 10th?" he said he did not know where the body was for 3 days. The president's body was missing for 3 days. So maybe Martine Moïse was in fact telling the truth when she said the president was not tortured before he was killed. So the broken bones and the gouged out eyes may have been inflicted post-mortem. After all, the president's body was missing for 3 days before they did the autopsy. This is extreme negligence. And then another key witness testified and said Felix Baggio had so many people in his pockets, from the police chief to the security guards at the president's house, including the housekeepers inside of the house. So now, for the first time, we are hearing that the housekeepers were complicit in the unaliving of Jovenel Moïse. And on top of that, prosecutors introduced as evidence a series of handwritten notes of gang leaders who were assigned specific roles throughout this entire operation. Amongst them were Jimmy Barbecue Cherizier and Iska, a gang leader in Cité Soleil, who mysteriously was gunned down in November of 2023. And for the first time in this entire matter, one unexpected name has been dropped: Jean-Bertrand Aristide.